Where them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss. They are New Link from New Link Production. And I mean, say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, big headline news, big breaking news in Jamaica, people. And it's about the passing of Ninjaman's son, my people, who was cut down in Kingston, Jamaica, my viewers and subscribers. So this make headline news on every different news media site in Jamaica, my people. And it's going to be the first time I'm going to cover this story, my people. Zine, so this happened from Sunday gone. Now we're upon what today, what? Wednesday, you understand? And yo, it's a tough one, Zine. So a lot of people see it, but they must say, yo, what could I really be behind this attack on the entertainer's son, Zine? And a lot of people have a lot of different mixed reactions because, as I tell the people, it's all over on media site and I read different comments and whole heap of comments and this and that where a lot of people have to say. But you don't know the attacking basket to work, my people. You're going to try to get some real information when things like them happen and say, yo, what could I really lead to where somebody would I really want the entertainer's son? See? So as I tell a lot of people are going to have different mixed reactions because people are going to put it based on the fact when Ninjaman that's a yo, him had the Dan Gargan, and you know a lot of people have it say you a whole heap of man, dopey maker, you know what I mean, whole heap of something involved. And I remember people, he's serving a life sentence, you know what I mean, for a murder that was committed back in 2009. Also his son has been incarcerated with him, you understand? So he will be eligible for parole in 25 years. That is the father Ninjaman right now, people. And for the son, he will be eligible for parole in 15 years. Also, another person who themselves was an accomplice at the time, people, will also eligible for parole in 15 years. But basically, people, they are serving life sentence. But you know that thing they go. But I have an article right now, my viewers and subscribers, just explaining, you know what I mean, some things were really got down where Ninjaman's son was cut down with people. And then the attacking boss got shown a little heads up to what really are going on. I'm going to get some understanding how or what's behind the killing of the Dan Gargan, the entertainer's son, Ninjaman. So let me just read this thing, people. Ninjaman, sons murdered. Jamar Ballantyne, son of incarcerated DJ Ninjaman, was murdered along Olympic Way in Kingston 11 last Sunday. According to a report from the Police Corporate Communications Unit, Ballantyne, otherwise called Roy or Ratty, of a Lower Mall Road address, was killed by unknown assailants at 8:45 a.m. It is reported that explosions were heard by residents who summoned the police, and on their arrival, Ballantyne was seen with multiple gunshot wounds. He was assisted to a hospital by residents where he was pronounced dead on arrival. A relative of the deceased said Ballantyne had gone to look at a motor vehicle crash when he was attacked. She stated that she did not know the reason for the shooting but stated that the entire family is in mourning. He has a daughter that will never get to see her father again. We really miss him because he was a loving person. I am not sure why anyone would want to kill him because he was well loved, she said. It's never easy to lose someone that you love and to know that his father and brother who is locked up will never see him again. It's harsh. I know some persons are going to have a lot to say because he's Ninjaman's son, but he was really a good person. Ninjaman, whose given name is Desmond Ballantyne, is serving a life sentence for the 2009 murder of Ricardo Ricky Chopper Johnson. He must serve at least 25 years in prison before he is eligible to be released on parole. His son Janil and co-convict Dennis Clayton will each have to serve 15 years behind bars before being eligible. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. So, as what this family member is saying, people, Zane, he's a loving person, and not because he's Ninjaman's son, that mean, you know what I mean, say him involved in a nothing, and that because, you know, a lot of people going to say this and a lot of people going to say that, which it is happening, people, as I tell you, based on a lot of comments that I saw, people, there's a lot of different things where people are say. See? So, I want to go into details now, people. One info I get. So, there must a reason behind Ninja Man son dead, people. You don't know, say, in Kingston, Jamaica, especially in Olympic and them thing, the people. There's this gang feud going on. You understand? And, you know, such man may live in another lane there, and such man may live in another lane there. That street the people. And one chance such man do catch a half guard, people, there can be consequences where such man go come say boom and take a 3 points. Because remember, my viewers and subscribers, them say now, there was an accident, a crash, see? And him stay say boom, go through film lane and come say boom, figure look pan it, my people. In the morning, 8:45 a.m., my viewers and subscribers. And that is where it happened, where he was cut down, multiple gunshot wounds, you know what I mean? Other residents here were going and this and that and boom. But when I look into the whole thing, my viewers and subscribers, see? Him comes say boom, go look pan a crash. The car crash, is it still there? The occupants are in the car that involved in the accident. Did he manage to reach on the scene of the accident, or he was on his way, you understand, and through the lane them slap him where what? Viewers and subscribers, this youth based from here, people, is not no part of no badness like a full member of one gang, like a real bad man, a killer, Zine. But him associate himself with people who do things. You get when I based on alleged information when I get people. He associate himself with people who do things. See? So him I go have enemy. See? So based on when I get people, it has nothing to do with his father who is behind bars, and it has nothing to do with his brother who is behind bar, pertaining to a murder with them set in a 2009. So a lot of people we are thinking and say, yo, because of that, so the man then just wait now and now them catch him, them deal with him, my people. And we not talk about the fact that we know the Ninja Man have other son also, the one who is you know what I mean, swim around. You get what me answer, people? Yeah, the swim around one. So it was not the swim around one who get cut down, because Ninja Man have a lot of kids and him have younger kids, same way my people. No joke about it, a lot of kids him have. See, it was a different one, my people. But this youth of people, as what me are telling you, is the associate himself or the friends them keep people. See, who I'm link with, where I'm roll with more while, where I'm chill with, where I'm flex with my people, and I succumb this fall upon him short. See? So it can be a setup where something happen out the people can't do come so boom, but it's a few that go on people. It's a gang feud, and this is what is happening in most of the major communities them. You know what I mean? Where we're known for violence in Kingston, Jamaica. Gang war. Remember I stretch out from Spanish Town, you know, people. See, when Spanish Town they get hot up when I hear say the local party they are going and how much people get shot in a party and them something there. But now people, it get a trend now where it reach right in a Kingston, Jamaica. So when you come through that lane there and you come from that street there and a man do catch you even at the middle part of the road, we know it's a one lane through this or one lane through this or one, so them catch you at the middle of the road, people, and him can get the first chance if you make it uppy, him a go do it. I saw the thing set, my people. See, I saw it set. And you a keep a friend, you know, people. You a keep a virgin, you know. And him in a badness, you know. Him a do things, you know, people. Remember me, I go tell her this, you automatically is an enemy to him enemy. Once you and him a link, and him a such man an enemy, people, you automatically going to become an enemy. So when I look into the whole thing, my viewers and subscribers, yo, it's a sad situation. Me nah wish that for no man, my people, but why? Stay away, my people. You stay away. And all me can say for the Dan Gargan, my condolences, you know what I mean, and to all his family and friends, cause you know you're behind bars and thing, and to your son, you know what I mean, and you know you serve a tough times behind the Ninja, but hold the faith, you understand me? No, no easy if you lose a child, no loved one at all, just hold the faith, you understand, and just go and hold it. Sad situation with people, seeing, very sad. Man, the behind bars going through some tough times and to get this news to him and our people. And he's a man who, most of the kids them have a close band, you know. Seeing, very close band. You know what I mean? Very close band. No joke about it. No know too much about the swim around one still, but we know say most of them kids them, they have a very close band, people. So we know say you might go through a lot. You know what I mean? So my people, big up on yourself, more love, more respect, more blessings. And you don't know what the attacking boss there, my people, giving thanks to life as usual on a daily basis. And thanks to the love, my people, thanks to the support, the like, the share, the comment, the views and the thoughts and everything, my people, cause you don't know, my people, without you all, man, I could never have the attacking boss. So really have to give you all thanks, my people. So and more love again, more respect and more blessings, and just do the right thing, my people. Peace out. You don't know. Fully attack. Blessings.